I take 2 local egg for the curry. I going to boil. Pour some water into a handi or pot. Now let it hot. Now add egg one by one and cook it for a while. After a while, your egg is boiled now. Now peel it for the curry. Let it peel. After cooling, now peel it in this way. I peel the eggs. This is new egg so that it is very tough to peel it. Okay, now ready to cook it. Hot pan, hot pan, add oil in it. Now add some black cumin seed, curry leaves, bay leaf, sliced onion, okay. Rainy day and this egg curry make my day full of joy. Slightly cut this egg. Add some turmeric powder, some salt, coat it. Now add it. Add some salt to taste. Add some turmeric powder for the color. Curd 1 tablespoon. Onion paste 1 tablespoon. Ginger paste 1 tablespoon. Garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Chili roughly chopped. Clove powder. Black cardamom powder. Cinnamon powder. Cardamom powder. Jaggery. Nutmeg. Red chili powder. And oil. Mix it. Add some fried potato in it. Add half cut green chili and cover it with the lid. Cook it in low flame. Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes in low flame. Rainy day and such handi curry. It's really wonderful. Thank you. Thank you all.